Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for February the 16th to the 18th, 2013, that's Saturday to Monday. Looking back on Friday then, 13 out of the 100 or so observation stations reached 10 degrees or higher, the top temperature being 11 in Plymouth, and the low temperatures stayed above freezing throughout the whole country, falling to 0 in Yeovilton and Brize Norton, but no minus temperatures. And over the next 3 days we'll see it getting drier and brighter, but getting gradually colder over the next 3 days, and we may see some night temperatures falling below freezing towards the end of that period. And what we'll see, according to the low pressure charts here, is that we're sandwiched between an area of low pressure out in the North Atlantic and high pressure over continental Europe, and we'll sort of be in the middle of that, but favouring the high pressure, which means less precipitation but more cloud initially. Here's Saturday, partly cloudy with some sunny intervals, particularly along the east coast and along the south coast, so the further south and east you are, the better weather that it will be. And in the far northwest of Scotland, along the western coast, we'll see drizzle and more persistent rain towards the very far north. And temperatures are not looking so bad either, at least for February. 7 will probably be the lowest high temperature we'll see, with the highest high probably 10 or 11 degrees in the far southwest of England and Ireland. Overnight, all areas should stay dry, with partly cloudy skies for the south of England, more overcast skies, a central swathe of England and Scotland, which will be under overcast skies, with perhaps some northern areas of Scotland seeing a few breaks in the cloud there as well. A few holes in the cloud as well in southern half of Ireland, where we'll see temperatures of a low temperature of 6 degrees, and elsewhere inland in England temperatures as low as 2 degrees, but above freezing, which is good for this time of year. Sunday will continue on that note. We'll see partly cloudy skies, some areas more cloudy than others, but the best of the weather will probably be in the south and the west of England and the north and east of Scotland, where we'll see mostly sunny skies as the day goes on, with some overcast areas in central England and the northeast as well. Temperatures 7 and 8 degrees generally across the whole country, 9 if you're lucky, shouldn't be any lower than 7. That is slightly cooler than what we'll see on Saturday though, but moving into Sunday night, the rain stays off once more, with the best weather in the far north and the far south of the British Isles, particularly in the southwest of England and in southern areas of Ireland, where we should see some clear skies, completely clear, and in the north of Scotland we'll see mostly clear skies, which is quite rare. Temperatures falling down below freezing though as a result in northern areas, -1, -2 in Scotland, and perhaps maybe -3 in some mountain areas, but not too bad in the far south. So looking at Monday now, that will be the brightest of the 3 days, with widespread sunshine, particularly the further south and the further west you are. More cloud towards the east coast, particularly overcast perhaps, as well as northern Scotland and Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, sunshine will be quite predominant, with temperatures not quite as high as what we've been having, struggling a little bit, 5 degrees under the cloud, 7 or 8 in the sunshine on Monday. Looking at Monday night now, cloud building back into the UK, but the Republic of Ireland at least is staying partly cloudy, as well as the far southwest of England. Not much more to be said than that, but there will be no rain, but that means temperatures will be a little bit cold on Monday night, falling below freezing in many areas when the temperatures come up there. -2 the low perhaps. In Cumbria, -1 could be fairly common and widespread in northern parts of England and Wales and in Scotland as well, but some places should stay, quite a few places should stay above freezing there. The next forecast will be on the 18th of February, that's this Sunday.